sometimes you just... That wasn't nearly as comfortable as I thought it would be. Hey Marlane, so we have a pretty relaxed day ahead of us, and I wanted to bring you along. It's not going to be super crazy, but the point of this vlog isn't just to do fun things. It's to challenge my video making skills, and if I can make a really normal day look fun, that's the challenge. Because if we were just like going to an amusement park, it'd be really easy to make an entertaining video riding on roller coasters. So here's to making a day of returning a red box and maybe furniture shopping and walking the dog look really exciting. But first we need to fuel up. So we just got to TJ Maxx to do some returns, and there's a man that has a stroller for his dog. Don't bring anything. Hey Shelly, do you know what the point of this thing is?
They're security things for like the expensive purses. They would attach them so you can't steal them.
Oh.
Yeah.
Just to hear it ring. Come on!
Next stop is Walmart. As a grown woman, can you explain to me why it's romantic to get an oversized stuffed animal for Valentine's Day that costs $40?
Because they're really big and soft and cuddly when you're having a bad day.
My daughter wanted to try something really good. I don't understand the point of the metal.
Yeah. So we can't really get a dog, but it doesn't mean we can't come look at them. Hey! Look at this little thing. A husky poo? That's a husky poo. It's a husky and a poo. So, if we're being honest here, the biggest reason we're actually going out today is because of this furniture sale. It's supposed to be like a crazy big furniture sale. We don't actually need a couch, but it could be fun to test out lots of couches. Shelly walked away. That's why she's not in the shot. The lighting in the store is just not very good. Someone left their soup? We just got it. That was a nice fall. That was a comfy landing. Oh, that is a funky thing.
I'm thinking, cup holders. But then I went to go pull it down and I kind of pulled a little too quickly.
Oh, I'm sorry. We walked around for a while. We sat on a lot of couches. And we talked to the lady who makes the deals. And we didn't get a couch.
No couch.
They didn't want to sell us their $5,000 couch for $1,000. Smoked butterscotch. Why didn't I think of that? You have this day. One time we were at this stoplight, and it was really late at night. And by really late, I mean it was like 9:30, but nobody else was here. And there is a turn lane right next to us. And it's one of those lanes where they have like their own indicator. And they had a green turn arrow, and I forgot that I wanted to go straight, so I was in that lane, and there was really nobody else around, and I switched over to the straight lane, but I had in my mind that I had a green light, because when I was in the turn lane, I had the light to turn green, or I had the green light to turn left, but now that I was in the straight lane, I didn't. But I just blew straight through it. And Shelly starts freaking out. She's like, babe, 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 red light, red light. I was like, no, it's green. Oh, it's red! Oh! If you get a purse, can I get glasses?
Honey, you have like 8 pairs of sunglasses.
I'm done with American flags for the lines.
I think you need a Hawaiian shirt more than you need a pair of sunglasses. But
That's
doesn't mean you
true.
buy a
I'll
Hawaiian shirt.
go look for a Hawaiian shirt. So, Shelly pretty much told me to go find a Hawaiian shirt. Couldn't find any Hawaiian shirts. But I found this. Waking up in the morning.
Hey, you have the same problem.
Yeah, but I already have a world clock. God bless you.
Hey, this is on clearance.
What is with that sleepy sign? It's like dirty and upside down. Oh, that ones look nice.
What are you getting?
Can I have a number 2? Thanks. Shirley really likes Chick-fil-A because she used to work at Chick-fil-A.
That's not why I really like it.
I'm pretty sure it's why she really likes it.
No.
She didn't work at this one though.
No. Where's your car?
Too short. I like it. Puppy, we're home! Puppy, puppy! Puppy, puppy!